have been posting faceless videos for some time now, but this time around, I want to connect more with my audience. And this brings about a new phase of this channel where I'm going to show my face in most of the videos that I'm about to post, starting from this one. Hello guys, my name is Emmanuel, the brain behind Braintech Graphics YouTube channel. I must say that you guys have been supportive in every angle, for subscribing, for liking, and then for sharing my videos. Thank you very much for your support, and then God richly bless you. But there is one thing that I need to tell you. As you can see, over 80% of you guys have not subscribed to the channel, but you are enjoying my content. If you are one of them, help me to reduce this number by smashing on the subscribe button now. Then also turning on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified, because this new phase is going to be bigger and better than before. Now, many of you are not aware that I have a Telegram community where we share ideas and also help each other. I'll leave a link in the description so you can join us, so we all learn together, as well as a link to my Telegram channel where I share resources and then updates on my videos and all that. You can't afford to miss that. So check the video description to join my community and then my Telegram channel. And one more thing is that I would like you guys to share with me the videos you want me to post. I want to personalize the videos to you. So the comment section is for you right now. For instance, if you want me to post videos about Photoshop, Canva, UI UX, and everything design related, just type it in the comments below and I'll do that. Once again, subscribe to the channel so we can go on this journey together. Until next time guys, quench not your creativity. Peace.